Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by checking essentials. Your iPhone 12 must run iOS 16 or later so live activities and widget APIs work. Once updated, install a trusted dynamic island-style app from the App Store. This creates the floating UI you want. Make sure you grant notifications, background app refresh, and any microphone or location permissions the app requests. These permissions let the app display real-time activity bubbles and respond to taps. Now open the app and follow its onboarding prompts to create your first dynamic shortcut. Once inside the app, choose which activities you want to surface: music playback, timers, incoming calls, or custom widgets, and why each matters to you. Then customize appearance, bubble size, opacity, and accent color so it doesn't obscure content. Configure tap and long press actions so a single tap opens the related app while a long press shows controls. Make sure live activities is enabled in settings. Then start a timer or play music to test how bubbles appear and update in real time. To finish, confirm the bubble works on your lock screen, and while apps run full screen, allow previews so the island appears everywhere. If the animation lags or stops updating, first toggle background app refresh and notifications off then on, and restart the phone. Reinstall the app if needed. If the app still can't mimic native responsiveness and you require deeper integration, understand that jailbreaking gives native-like islands but carries security and warranty risks. So weigh that trade-off before proceeding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.